It is Thursday, April 11th, and this is Octavia Ortiz and
Dejanique
with your nightly news. Today on the nightly news, we have weather, lunch, summer school, National Honor Society Easter candy sale, Slay with the Knights update, main event trip, prom, HBCU March and April Madness, riddle of the day, birthdays, and sports.
weather. Today we have a high of 55 degrees. This weekend we will have snow on the forecast.
Lunch for tomorrow. We will have a fish sandwich, lettuce and tomato, yogurt parfait with cheese stick, potato cubes, lemon berry sidekick, and milk.
Summer school. Remember that if you are failing a class or two, you may want to think about signing up for summer school. Forms are in the office.
Burns and McDonald Summer Camp. This is free STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. Summer day camp at lunch and snacks will be provided. Space is extremely limited, so be sure to have your parents/students sign up immediately. See Principal Chanel Smith if you are interested in signing up.
Camp NAWIC will be held on June 3rd through June 7th of 2019 at various locations. This is an awesome free week-long camp that will give them insight and access into construction careers. Beginning at the Builders Training Center. See Principal Chanel Smith for a link to the registration form.
Main event. Any scholar that has at least a 93% attendance in a rate of this month of April, only April, will get a full day trip to main event. We will have laser tag, bowling, games, pizza, and more. Those scholars who have a 100% attendance rate will be in a drawing for a special prize. If you have any questions, see Mr. Shriver. Remember, this is only for the month of April. So if you have poor attendance before now, the slate has been wiped clean.
Prom. Prom is Saturday, May 4th at 8 p.m. at the Firestone Building on the first floor. Any senior or junior interested in running for Royal Court must fill out and return a nomination form to Ms. Muhammad by April 26. Forms can be picked up in the office or from Ms. Muhammad in room 16. Any scholar wanting to bring an outside guest to prom must purchase a ticket from Ms. Muhammad and fill out and return an outside guest form to Ms. Muhammad by April 26. The theme of this year's prom is Masquerade.
Youth Night. April 23rd, the FBI and Kansas City, Missouri Police Department are offering a Youth Night. There will be demonstrations and displays of crime scene investigation, cyber crimes, mobile command, a rollover car, and forensics examinations. There will be refreshments provided. The Youth Night is from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. at the KCPD East Patrol. For more information, contact Officer Green.
2020 Leadership. Juniors and seniors that are part of the 2020 Leadership, there is a mandatory meeting on April 8th of 2019 in room 120 during your scheduled lunch. Please see Ms. Williams for more details. Her room is 120.
National Honor Society Easter Candy Sale. National Honor Society Easter Candy Sale to raise money for books for the kids at Children's Mercy. $1 for Easter candy. Sales are April 8th through the 12th during lunch. So the sale will end tomorrow. And we will be delivering during advisory of April 17th.
Slay with the Knights. Slay with the Knights was a success, and we appreciate all scholars that were in attendance. These students received a tutorial on how to do makeup for prom.
Riddle of the day. Would you like to be the sun in my life?
Aww. Yes.
Good. Then stay 92.69 million miles away from me. Birthdays. We have no birthdays today. Tomorrow is Adriana's birthday. Happy birthday.
The HBCU March in April Madness. Hey attendance fans, the HBCU attendance bracket contest is in full swing. You can view results on the bulletin board near the gym.
Going to prom and need a mask? Come to the Mask Off Party to create your own. The theme for this year's prom is a masquerade ball, and we want you to come to have fun. April 22nd and April 24th from 2:30 to 5:30 in the art room.
Heels for Heights, Bow Ties for Nights. Heels for Heights, Bow Ties for Nights will be next Thursday, April 18, 2019 from 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. in the multi-purpose room. Only 25 slots available. Come learn how to walk in heels and tie a bow tie as well as a traditional tie. Refreshments will be served.
Good morning, Southeast Nights. This is Miss Williams, and
DeQuante.
we're going to just show you a quick tutorial on how to tie a bow tie using a regular tie. Remember, when you're looking at ties to creating your own bow tie, they do come in different sizes. We have a wider one, somewhat medium one, and there are also skinny ties, but we're going to be using this version of the tie right now. When you first begin, the first thing that you do is that you're going to insert this here in the loop. This is what secures the bow tie when you are trying to create the rest of the look. Some people fold it down this way and stick it in, or some people flip it this way. Again, either way for you is fine. The quickest way to do it is that once you do insert it and secure it, then you're going to take your hand and you're going to hold it down and you're going to flip it across. You're going to come back again, making sure that after you do it the third time that this piece does not hang over. So you do not want the look where this is hanging over. You actually want it to be where it kind of gives that back part of the bow tie look. So again, making sure that it is secure in this section. Then after you do that, it's best to make sure that you're holding and securing this, and then you're going to pinch the skinny part of the tie, and this is what's going to give the actual tie the bow. So you're going to take it and you're going to go around the tie. Once you do that segment of it, you're going to then take the end piece right here. And again, it's important how you insert this because it'll make a difference when you complete it. You're going to insert it in the little loop here because we're going to make a knot. So you just slide it through. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want to make sure that this part stays flat. And this tie that we're working with actually is pretty cool. I believe this is more kind of like this is a silk tie, which is a little bit slippery. But anyways, you're going to have a look that looks like this. The way to make the bow tie itself look tighter is the tighter that you pull on the knot. And you'll be able to adjust as you go. So right now, this is the kind of the look that you'll have. It's not quite complete, but this is both kind of the look that we have right now. All right, so to finish this off so that you can actually tie it around your neck, you're going to turn the tie back around as you had it before. Again, you're going to make sure that it's tight enough. You're going to then take this same last piece that you had and you're going to loop it inside of the top part of the knot, which can be a little bit tricky, but the quicker and the more that you practice it, the faster you can get it done. So once you insert it inside of there, you now have a look that looks like this, and then this is the part that's going to come around your neck. So the way that you tighten this around your neck once you get done will be up underneath your collar, which we will show you that at a later time. So how do you make the front part look more like that bow tie look? That means that you can then start fluffing it and creasing it however you like so that you can get the desired look. Again, remember, the tighter that you tie the knot, the tighter that you'll have a bow tie. And here you have the quick way to make a bow tie out of a regular tie. So come join us for Heels for Heights, Bow Ties for Nights on next Thursday from 2:30 to 5:30 in the multi-purpose room. Thank you.